welcome to Hapy Jac's Shack. I'm Hapy Jac and this is my shack. That's why I call it Hapy Jac Shack. And as you can see, we've got a couple boxes to unbox. So, let's say we get into it. Without further ado, or don't for those that don't do, let's open some boxes, shall we? Alright, you don't see me as much, but that's okay, because I'm not the star of this show. The boxes are. Now, as y'all know, I love my munchies. I eat breakfast, and then I munch, and then packing, or fire starter. Fire starter. And, wow. Oh, I thought that was in that box. Well, as you can see, there's big boxes and not much else. You know, let's see. It says, sold as a set, do not separate. Okay. I have no idea what this is. Oh, wait a minute. I hate when they do that, you know? Oh! I got a cable. That's a cable. And this is what I thought it'd be. Big box like that for this. Yeah, it's called Feel the Bass. Skull Candy Crusher Evo. It's supposed to have surround sound and super bass, which would be great when you're watching those fantastic movies like Top Gun, Maverick. The explosions will shake you up. And then there's these. Told you I like munchies. Bacon jerky. This is the maple flavored. And regular flavored bacon jerky. You know I like Jack's. So that takes care of that. And as far as the Crusher Evo, we're going to have to check that out. I'll get it all set up. It said, I checked it, and it said it's compatible with my Hisense projector, so we'll see. Now for the other box. Now what can be in a box this big? Let's find out. That didn't sound like it was too. Oh, that's because I don't like these things. They scare me. Jeez. This big box, and guess what it has in it? 2 little boxes and a lot of space in between. I don't like when they pack it like that. And nothing on the boxes say what it is. I can tell you, it's munchies, of course. So I'll put that one back there, and this one out, back here. And take this and put on the floor. Okay, here we have the box. Oh, I can sit down. And what do we have? Oh my goodness. I gotta stand up for this. Yeah, got some Quaker, these are caramel rice cakes. I love rice cakes. I got 2 of those packages, 2 of the caramel, and then there's 2 of the apple cinnamon rice cakes. And being as I do like cheese, we've got 2 white cheddar. Now I've got the smaller rice cakes and they're pretty good. I like them. So I figured, well, I'm going to find out what these are like. So, and I did get 2 boxes of them, so there's basically 4 of each. So I'll have to find out how those are. How about if I just say no? How about if I rearrange the camera, huh? Stay tuned. This is where it starts. Yeah, so you've seen my munchies. I have the bacon jerky, and I've got the rice cakes. Those are good. But I have the brain. The skull candy. Can't wait to see how that turns out. So, but that'll be on another one. So, let me get all of this, and I'm going to try me some rice cakes. And read over all the directions. I want to make sure I get this right. And then, maybe my home theater will have true surround sound and super bass. And the thing, they say that it's not only sound that you hear, but you can feel it. Because when the bass goes, it vibrates. So, let's see how that turns out, shall we? This is Hapy Jac, hoping your journey down life's path is a pleasant one. Later days. Y'all come back and see it real soon, you hear?